Let's have a look at the COM browser. By default, it's over here on the left, and when you slide it open, you'll see there's no COM libraries listed by default. But if you go down to COM library selection, you can scroll through all the different COM libraries that exist on your system. Every system will vary depending on what's been installed. If we select one, we can double-click it or select one and click Add, and you'll see down the bottom it says it's been successfully added to the COM browser. And now back in COM browser we have our selected library. And as you drill through and select the different methods and functions available, there'll be varying degrees of documentation available. Now this script, you can see we're doing a create object, and the file scripting object has that little tag. By picking that and choosing Add to COM browser, you can go back into the COM browser and see that it did in fact load the scripting library. Now in that script we were playing with the file system object, so I'll select that, and here we have all the different things we can do with the file system object. And in the results you can see there's a little more detail as to what you can provide that. A couple other things we can do here. Let's have a look. You can remove one or the currently selected one or all of the items as you choose. You can also search. So if we go into search and I look for copy, it searches the library for copy. And I could hit search again and again and just dig through all the different libraries that were loaded. You can sort the list by prog ID or by name. So here by prog ID, if what you're referencing is easier to find this way. By default we have it by name. And you can also hit browse and browse to ATLB, OLB, DLL, OCX, or EXE, whatever contains type library information that you want to pull information from. And that about wraps up the very useful COM browser.